Hey guys, your food detective is back on the case. I'm standing here at the Tyson plant in Tennessee under bright sunshine, ready to uncover one of the biggest mysteries in the fast food universe. How are chicken McNuggets really made? This is one of only 5 factories in the US that produce the legendary nuggets from McDonald's. First impression? Unreal. So many people working here. Most folks imagine something like this. A giant factory, chickens go in one side, get mushed up, boom, nuggets pop out the other end. Wrong, so wrong. I'm about to show you how it actually works. You've probably seen that creepy photo online. The pink slime goo that people claim turns into McNuggets. Yeah, total nonsense. The truth looks nothing like that. What I'm seeing, entire lines of workers breaking down real chicken by hand, just like at a butcher shop. And here's the important part. No drumsticks, no thighs, no leftover scraps, only breast meat. The clean, tender pieces, the skin is removed, and yes, a little comes back later for that flavor boost. Because let's be honest, crispy chicken skin equals happiness. And that's it. No beaks, no feet, no mystery parts, just chicken breast. Then comes the fun part, the binding operation. 100% white meat, coarsely ground, not pulverized, like a traditional butcher grind. So it keeps that hearty texture. Now, the machine that blew my mind. It looks like a giant lava lamp. This is where the meat, the skin, and the marinade come together. And no, the recipe isn't a government secret. It's water, starch to keep it juicy, salt and rosemary extract as a natural preservative. The result looks like meat, because that's what it is. Then comes shaping. Each nugget gets a light batter, then a coating. I swear I can smell the white pepper in the seasoning. After that, the iconic tempura crust. That's why McNuggets have that crunchy yet airy texture. It's because of the leavening in the batter. It smells insanely good in here. The nuggets are only par fried, just enough to set the crust. Inside they're still raw. Cooking happens later at McDonald's. Then they go through a flash freeze to lock in the flavor. Packed, shipped, done. I was skeptical until I saw Gina in the sensory kitchen. She tests them every hour. A perfect nugget. Golden, crisp edges, tender and juicy inside, real chicken taste, and just a hint of pepper. And that flavor, it hit me like childhood nostalgia. I was here, I saw it. No myths, no spooky slime. McNuggets are made from chicken breast. Period. Got questions? I'll find answers.